Flagpoles, etc. isn't just known for selling wonderful flagpoles. We also sell American flags that are proudly made in the United States. Our polyester American flags are one of our top sellers. Each of our polyester flags contain the standard beautiful stars, double-stitched stripes with a white canvas header and brass grommets. Choose between our standard or premium box stitching for your polyester flag. Our 2-ply polyester flags are recognized as the most durable of all flag fabrics. They're skillfully crafted of 2-ply 100% polyester bunting with an open weave construction to reduce wind and moisture damage. This will lessen the abrasion while increasing the flag life. These flags are ideal for industrial and commercial use. This flag has the maximum durability in the most unpredictable weather conditions. It will prove to be long-lasting. The thicker 2-ply material used on our polyester flags ensure that they are strong flags that will continue to last even with outdoor use. When it comes to selecting a flag, let Flagpoles, etc. provide you with a top-notch polyester flag. Give us a call at 888-735-5591 or visit our website at flagpolesetc.com.